Beauty Killer 2, 3 looks, 3 days. Hello beautiful people, this is Ann, Fabulous Life 101. Thanks for tuning in today. And hey, if you're not already a subscriber, could you please hit that little subscribe button, the bell notifications right now. On this channel, we cover makeup and skincare and fashion and travel, anything that makes you feel more fabulous at any age. Well, this is my 3 looks 3 day video with Jeffree Star Beauty Killer 2. Just got this palette a few days ago. I'm loving it so far. You can do so much with this one little palette. Anyway, here goes. Let's start with look 1. So for today's look, I'm going to utilize the pink and the purple to create a really bold, colorful look. Still kind of soft because I'm more of a soft eye girl than a super bold, out there, shocking girl. So I always like to start with a little bit of a nude. So I'm going to take a little bit of the nude, and of course, like all Jeffree's palettes, they have a nice mirror. Now I'm going to take this pink and just go from the inner corner out. I've noticed like all of Jeffree's palettes, they're very blendable, highly pigmented. You could just tell Jeffree uses the highest quality ingredients. So now I'm taking a smaller brush and I'm going to use this one called Death Row right here, which is sort of a deep bluish purple. And I'm going in the outer corner with that. And also just sort of tapping along the outer edge of the crease line. Okay, you just notice it sort of goes from pink to purple. Now I'm looking at this purple that has a very slight shimmer to it. And just take a little bit of this purple and sort of go in the middle. And yeah, that just gives it a nice amount of shine. I like that a lot. Okay, there's the look for today. Just a basic, use 4 shades, including the nude. And that's my first look with this palette. On 2 other days, I'm going to do a smoky look one day, and I'm going to do like a look focusing on more green colors another day. And just show you what you can do with this palette. Let me go off camera and put on my mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay, mascara's done. One more final touch. I'm going to take a little bit more of this purple and put underneath the lash line. Just slightly going into the corner here. There we go. That just finishes up the look. Now for my second look created with Beauty Killer 2, I'm going to focus on really highlighting some of the green colors, especially Self-Expression, Rebirth, and Guillotine Dream. So I'm going to start, I think, with this Rebirth color, and I'm just going to take this very narrow liner brush and draw a line around the lash line. Just do a little dash around the lower lash line. Then I'm going to take this small flat brush and take the same color and go around the outer corner and then dot into the crease, sweep across. Okay, that's a little sloppy. That's okay, because the next step, I'm actually going to take a dash of this Jeffree Star concealer, and I'm just going to put this right on the center of my eye and blink a little bit. And I'm going to take a brush and blend that in. This sort of cuts the crease to the eye, and it also provides a nice shimmery base. Now I'm going to use this beautiful neon self-expression color. Just put some on the brush and just go over from the inner corner outward. And the final color I'm using in this look is this Guillotine Dream. And I'm just going from the center towards the outer edge with this. Kind of letting the colors sort of blend together. I'm going to pick up this darker color a little bit more and just go in the corners again. So there you have it, just a nice sort of soft, subtle, but yet shimmery green look. Tomorrow I'm going to start off with nude and then make it smoky. Let me go off camera, finish the look with a little bit of mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay, now this uses the greens in kind of a soft, subtle way. Now you could go in with a damp brush and get a much bolder, brighter look. But this is sort of the way I like it, particularly just on a casual day. I really like the way you can just get a hint of color or a whole lot. Okay, today is my third day of shooting looks with Beauty Killer 2 palette. And today I'm going to start with a simple nude look, and then I'm going to expand it to a nice smoky look. So I'm going to start using this soft sort of ivory shade, Respect, and just sort of cover the eyelids in that. Now I'm taking my liner brush and I'm going in with Under Oath, this sort of tan color. And initially I'm just going to draw a line along the lash line with that. And a little bit under the lower lash line. Okay, now I'm taking my small blender brush and taking the same shade, Under Oath, and going in along the outer edges and up into the crease. So you see, just with those two colors, you can get a nice nude look. This is a perfect daytime look. I could just put on my mascara and go. But I want to take this a little bit further. I want to see just how smoky and exotic I can get. So I'm just going to go with a nice, dressy, smoky look, just building from these colors. So I'm going back in with the liner brush, and the top lash I'm going to top with this Redemption, this sort of dark blue. And into the corners with this. Now I'm taking a small flat brush, and I'm going to try this Soul Sucker, this nice sparkly shimmer. And just the outer corners, and a little bit into the crease line. There's a lot of pigment on this, so I'm going to probably have to blot it out a little bit. Now I'm going back with the small blender brush, and I'm going to use this pretty Guillotine Dream. It's sort of a nice blue-green color, and I'm going to dust the entire eyelid with this, and just blend a little more. Now I'm taking a big fluffy brush and going back in with the Respect, going the area above the lid, under the brow bone with that. And just get everything a more blended look. Okay, I'm going off camera and put on my mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay, the look is complete. Now I'm going to top everything off with this Jeffree Star Skin Magic Star Glow Face Mist. This mist can be a refresher at any time of the day, or a setting spray, or you can put it on before your makeup. So that's the look for today. Again, with this Beauty Killer 2 palette. I am so glad I got this. It's a great little size palette to travel with. And again, with all of these colors, you can see the different looks you can go with. Pink, purple, neon, smoky, or nude. Pretty much anything you want to do with this palette. Beauty Killer 2. Well, that's the video for today. If you enjoyed it, could you please give us a thumbs up? And hey, do you have a favorite palette by Jeffree? Or is there another influencer you really like? I'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day. Peace, love, and light.